Breaking the ice. Informal self-introduction in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today we are diving into a fun, yet fundamental, topic: how to introduce yourself in an informal setting. Specifically, we'll be focusing on sharing your name and basic information. So whether you're meeting new friends at a party, a meetup, or an informal gathering, you'll know just how to break the ice. When you meet someone for the first time, one of the most basic pieces of information you can share is your name. There are several casual ways you can do this in English. A simple, "Hi, I'm," your name, or "Hey, my name is," your name, will suffice in most cases. Remember to speak clearly and don't rush through your words. This is your first impression, so let's make it count. To help remember their name, you could respond with, "Nice to meet you," their name. Repeating their name not only shows that you're paying attention, but it can also help you remember it later. After sharing your name, the next step is to share some basic information about yourself. This can help to build a connection with the other person and make the conversation more interesting. Depending on the setting and how much you feel comfortable sharing, this could include your job or what you're studying, where you're from, or what your hobbies or interests are. For example, you could say, "I'm studying architecture at the university. I work as a software engineer. I'm from Canada, but I'm living in Berlin now. I love hiking and photography." Try not to share too much information at once though, as it may overwhelm the other person. Keep it simple and let the conversation flow naturally. Another important part of introducing yourself informally is being able to ask questions. This shows that you're not only interested in talking about yourself, but also in getting to know the other person. Here are a few common informal questions you can use. What about you? Do you also like? Where are you from? What do you do? Remember, the goal of these questions is to start a conversation and to build a relationship, not just to gather information. Well, there you have it. A simple guide on how to introduce yourself informally in English. Remember, the key is to be yourself, speak clearly, and show interest in the other person. Whether you're at a party, a meetup, or just meeting new people on the street, you now have the tools to break the ice and make a good impression. Happy conversing!